Hello students, in this video I will talk about your statement of purpose assignment. This statement of purpose assignment is due on Saturday, December 22nd at 11:55 p.m. And it will be worth 15 points. Throughout this course, hopefully you've been learning more about the career that you want to pursue as well as more about yourself. You've been doing a series of professional development assignments and health career projects to learn more about yourself and other careers. So this assignment is your opportunity to bring that all together. So what you will do is draft a statement of purpose, and then particularly for those of you who are planning to apply to graduate school soon, this could be a great first draft for you. Your statement should be between 1.5 to 2 pages long, double-spaced 12-point font. I realize that this is pretty short, but a lot of graduate school applications will require you to be concise and meet a certain word count. Be sure to include the following in your statement. First of all, what field or profession are you interested in and why? So even if you are still deciding occupational therapy versus physical therapy, you can mention rehabilitation therapy, something like that. Be sure that you explain why it is you are interested in that field. It should be clear, the connection between why you are interested in the field and what you know about the field. Second, what experiences, work, volunteer, life, etc., skills and values make you a good fit for that field or profession? So this is another way to demonstrate that you are a good fit for that profession. Really think about what you have done to prepare to be a good fit for that career. So perhaps it is volunteering at a clinic, where you've had the opportunity to interact with patients and you realize that you are very passionate about patient care. Maybe it is something that you've done as a job in the past and you want to learn more about how to hold a position higher up. So for example, maybe you have been a speech language pathology assistant, right, or aide, a SLPA, but you want to become an SLP, right? How has that prepared you for that field or profession? What kind of values do you hold that align with those expected for people in that field? Lastly, what do you hope to accomplish in that field? What are your overall career goals? What impact do you want to have? And so I really encourage you to push yourself beyond just, oh, I want to be a pediatrician. Well, what is it specifically that you hope to do as a pediatrician? Do you hope to be a bilingual pediatrician who will serve folks in a clinic who would otherwise not be able to have access to care? Do you want to focus specifically on children with autism? Do you want to address rural care? You know, there's a variety of different health issues that we have looked at throughout this semester, whether it's aging population, things that you've heard from the guest speakers. Think about what is a specific impact you want to make. Out of all of the social workers out there, what population do you want to work with? And how will you make an impact in your field? So make sure that you are addressing all of those in your statement. Try to avoid things like, oh, I've always wanted to be a doctor. If there is a statement that can apply to somebody else, don't write it. This is all about making you stand out versus the other people that are applying to enter graduate school. So for this assignment, go ahead and write it as an essay. You should not be saying, number one, this is the field I'm interested in. Number 2, these are my experiences. Number 3, this is what I hope to accomplish in the field. It should be laid out as an essay. And lastly, be sure to pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and spelling. I'll be looking at all of those. So again, this is due December 22nd at the end of finals week. Be sure to ask me any questions before then, and good luck.